Do you love tech and crave the latest gadgets? Subscribe to our channel right now for more exciting content and reviews. Welcome to our Tech Haven, where we satisfy your curiosity on the latest and greatest in the gadget world. Today we're diving into the treasure trove of features that the OnePlus 12R boasts. And yes, we have a free gift offer for our subscribers, so stay alert. Stay tuned to discover what makes the OnePlus 12R a game-changer in the smartphone industry. Introducing the OnePlus 12R, a smartphone that promises to redefine your mobile experience. This phone is not just a device, it's a statement, a testament to the prowess of OnePlus in delivering top-tier technology with a touch of class. The design is refined with a sleek and slender body that fits snugly in your palm. Its smooth curves and the lustrous sheen of its back panel are a visual treat, a testament to the meticulous attention OnePlus pays to every detail. The OnePlus 12R isn't just about aesthetics. It's a symphony of form and function, where every element is thoughtfully designed to enhance your user experience. The ergonomics of this phone are on point, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. And the build quality? It's premium, as you would expect from OnePlus. But the OnePlus 12R isn't just a pretty face, it's packed with powerful features that we're about to explore. Dive deeper into the powerhouse that is the OnePlus 12R. This phone is a beast when it comes to performance, running on the latest high-performance chipset. The powerhouse of a processor, coupled with efficient RAM, ensures that you get a seamless user experience, whether you're gaming or multitasking. And let's not forget the ample storage space. You'll have room to store all your favorite apps, photos, and videos. But what's power without longevity? The OnePlus 12R delivers impressively on that front too, boasting an impressive battery life. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or on a video call, this device keeps up with you all day. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charging capabilities mean you won't be left waiting. With such robust performance, the OnePlus 12R ensures you're always ready to take on the world. Every moment becomes a masterpiece with the OnePlus 12R's camera. This isn't just a camera, it's a professional-grade photography system. With its high-resolution lenses, the OnePlus 12R lets you capture the world in stunning detail. From the texture of a dewdropped leaf to the twinkling stars in a moonlit sky, the 12R's camera brings every detail to life. But the magic doesn't stop at photography. The OnePlus 12R also boasts a vibrant high-definition display. Images pop with color, videos play smoothly, and even the smallest text is crisp and clear. This display isn't just about looking good, it's about immersing you in whatever you're doing. Whether you're streaming your favorite show, playing a fast-paced game, or simply scrolling through photos, the OnePlus 12R's display ensures each moment is as engaging as it can be. Whether you're capturing memories or enjoying your favorite content, the OnePlus 12R delivers an unparalleled visual experience. The OnePlus 12R is more than just a smartphone. It's your companion for a digital lifestyle. It boasts an elegant design, stellar performance, a camera that captures life in vivid detail, and a display that'll make your eyes pop. It's the epitome of what a smartphone should be. Ready to experience the OnePlus 12R for yourself? Click the link in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to click on the second link for your cash gift offer. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tech content.